Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Hope everybody's safe and well. Today I'm going to bring you a little 3D project. So these are the little things I've been making to go in with my catalogues. I always like to send a little something out. I like to showcase a little bit of what's coming up. They're just little pouches that just open up. And there's just a little after eight mint. Always associate after eight mints with Christmas. Yes, I had a packet left over. So yeah, really quick and easy to make. And I'm showcasing a new punch, celebration free stamp set, and some paper that is free as part of the new joining offer. So yeah. So let me show you just dropped them all. Oh, excuse me. No harm done. I can't believe I did that. So this is the stamp set, and I've already done a project with this. I've probably done several by the time you see this video, to be fair. This is shown at I can't even read that, but it's a smaller percentage than what it actually is. The stamp sets in reality are bigger. This is the lovely punch. It's a double oval punch, so you get the them there to layer up. We used to sell them separately, these punches, a long time ago, so I'm quite delighted that those are back. Not that I ever got rid of the other punches. I tend not to get rid of my punches. Need that for in a minute. And these are the I'm going to say that's the same colour. That's the one I'm going to use for this one. So you get 5 packs. I've got 4 here. You get a set of regals, a set of subtles, a set of brights, a set of neutrals, and you also get the 2020-2022 colour family ones. I didn't buy them as a demonstrator. We got to pre-order them. They're only now available if you join as a demonstrator, and they will be available in the new annual catalogue that comes out in June. I didn't get the in colour ones because I've still got the current ones, and I've got another set that that has all the in colours in, so I didn't really need another one. So I'll bring in the other melon mambo that I'm about to use. So you get 2 sheets of each. I've only got half a pack because I share them with my mate Jill. And they come with these 4 patterns to choose from. So apart from this one, none of them have any white in them, which Jill favoured. I prefer them with a bit of white in, but yeah. Oh, my favourite. So yeah, beautiful papers. Always find these colour family ones very useful, and getting 5 packs free is an absolute bargain. So usual joining fee of £99. You choose £130 worth of products, and you get 5 packs, 40 sheets in a pack, I believe. Double check. Yes, 40 sheets a pack, because the colour families, we've got 10 colours. You get 4 sheets in each colour. So 40 sheets. So have I just put that melon mambo away that I want to now use? Do you know, it's dead late. I should really be going to bed, but I'm not. So you get 2 of my pouches from 1 sheet of 6x6, and that's what I wanted. I wanted to design something. I've made pouches before that take the whole sheet for an after 8 mint, but I wanted to do something where you would get more. So I'm poking that, am I off camera? Yeah, a little bit. So I'm poking that up there, so it rests in there, so it's in the center point, make sure this is down here in the groove, and that way I can know that I am slicing this in half, like so. Then I'm going to put this straight edge here at the 3/4 mark there, and you can tell you've got it straight by following the line on your trimmer. And what I kind of did was sort of moved it down so that it was at a point there, and I kept this nicely in a straight line on that straight line there, and then just scored my line. Okay, so that gives us our nice little fold up for where it's going to poke in. And then what I did was I put this point at 1 1/4. So at the point at 1 1/4, I'm going to unfold it. I had the unfolded edge there. So point at 1 1/4, that resting on that straight line there, so that I knew I had it straight. Okay, and scored. And then I just flip it that way and do exactly the same. So have this point at the 1 1/4 and have that resting there on the straight line. And that gives us our nice little edge there, which fits the after 8 mint perfectly. So I'm going to fold that up and give it a burnish. Fold that across, just in slightly if required. Give it a burnish. And then we're just going to snip these triangles off. I've now got a load of triangles, which I may well do something with at some point. So I'll just pinch an after 8 mint from one of the others because my box is elsewhere. So as you can see, that fits in there quite nicely. And then we'll just put that little flap in there, and that is it, held nicely in there, showing off both sides of the paper. So now we need to just do a little bit of stamping. I'm doing, thank you so much, I do love that. I have it mounted, although I do believe in the I was going to say in the fallout that I just had, I thought I'd lost it. So I'm going to use some Melamumbo and give that a little stamp down there, and then it fits lovely in this little over punch there, and then we'll just punch out the sort of scalloped, it's sort of a scallop, don't quite know, it's just a wavy edge, not quite a scallop, bit more of a wavy edge, but that fits on there quite nicely. So we'll just take a little bit of Tombow and glue them together. I'm not using any dimensionals because I'm sending these out with the catalogues and I want them to stay at large letter. So if I wasn't bothered by that, I might use some dimensionals. but it does add quite considerable amount to the cost of postage if they go above large letter. So here we are. I'm just going to put my finger there and sort of go diagonally across so that it just goes on this half here, because I want it to be able to open. And that is it. Really quite quick and easy. I made these whilst watching telly, and that's what you want. If I've got to make a load, I don't want them to be too time consuming, and that's it. So yeah, got a few more to get through, but there. So if you want a catalogue and you haven't got a demonstrator, then just let me know. There's a request form on my blog, and you can fill that in to request it, or just message me, and I'll be happy to send you one. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that. I hope you go and take a look at the rest of the blog hop. I will link to the original blog hop in this, and yeah, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now. All the details, measurements, everything will be on nigezza.co.uk, and there'll be links to my shop if you wish to purchase anything. Can't purchase the paper, you have to join up as a demonstrator to do that, but I'd be happy to welcome you to my team. All right, bye for now.